Hello, parents. This is Chris Allen. I am your son or daughter's geometry teacher, and I'm sending you this message today because I wanted to um, inform you of a couple of things, remind you of some stuff that's going on in the geometry class. So, this week, well, actually, before we even talk about this week, as you know, we're using Canvas. I've shared a video outlining how students should access class materials in the Canvas LMS, which is a fancy way of saying learning management system. Um, so each week, students have homework that is on mathexcelforschool.com. I've taken time to connect students with that resource. If your son or daughter is still struggling with that, please reach out to me. I'd be glad to help them get connected. So each week they should be getting their homework done. Last week we had our first quiz. Our first quiz covered about 3 sections of material in Chapter 1, which is the basics of geometry, things like measuring angles and segments. That quiz has been graded and put into the grade book, so you can see all the homework grades and the quiz grades up to this point. In fact, I would really encourage you to do that to make sure that your son or daughter is not falling behind and doing what they're supposed to be doing to stay up with class. This week we're going to have our first test, which is going to cover Chapter 1, and we're going to be moving into Chapter 2, which is going to be on deductive reasoning and proof. So I wanted to just take a minute to share these thoughts with you, and I'm asking you to please check that your son and daughter is logging into Canvas, to check on their grades through the Skyward application on the Township webpage. If you need help with any of these things, just send me an email. I'd be glad to show you how to do that. So thank you for your time.